Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Excel is the active app because every keystroke must reach it. Once active, confirm you have keyboard access to the workbook. Use Ctrl plus F6 to cycle windows or Alt plus Tab if needed. Make sure scroll lock isn't interfering with arrow behavior and note the visible sheet tab names. Now, keep your hands on the keyboard. This prevents mouse slips and lets you move to the next step immediately, using only keystrokes to change sheets and navigate cells. You switch sheets with Ctrl plus page down to go right and Ctrl plus page up to go left, simple and reliable across Excel versions. Once on the target sheet, use Home to return to column A and Ctrl plus arrow to jump to data edges. This speeds locating your area. Use Tab and Enter to move horizontally and vertically through cells while editing, and apply Shift plus Ctrl plus arrow to extend selections. Make sure to keep keystrokes intentional. Selecting a column with Ctrl plus space or a row with Shift plus space helps for whole line edits. You edit cells with F2 to enter edit mode, then press Enter to confirm or ESC to cancel. That keeps edits keyboard only. Once changes are made, save with Ctrl plus S and undo mistakes instantly with Ctrl plus Z. To rename a sheet without the mouse, press Alt plus H, then O, then R and type the new name. If you cannot switch sheets or move cells, check scroll lock and workbook protection. If needed, press F1 for help or clear protection settings. This solves the common blocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.